everyone, and welcome to GoCo Center for Aesthetics Ask an Esthetician segment. Today we have Tricia King here, our licensed esthetician, to answer a few questions about probably the most asked question that we get on the phone here. What is a chemical peel? So Tricia, take it away. What is a chemical peel?
Sure. A chemical peel is a technique that we use using a solution. It's applied to the skin and it causes basically an exfoliation. The skin will eventually just fall off and create a new, fresher look. You get baby new soft skin, so you can address a lot of skin issues that way. You can get rid of hyperpigmentation, which can come from like UV damage, things like that. Fine lines and wrinkles, you can help your pores, your texture, basically all the concerns that most people have. So it's a great treatment.
I know a lot of people are concerned about the different degrees of chemical peels. We have several types of chemical peels here that should fit everybody's needs. So we have everything from a light glow peel up to a very aggressive chemical peel by Dr. GoCo. So we have all in between. So always come and ask us to see what is most important for you, because we have so many options that I think people just don't realize are available. Let's go. How long does it take to have a chemical peel? Like, do they need to, when they schedule their appointment, what should they expect?
To get a chemical peel, we usually ask that people get off of their retinols anywhere from 4 days to a week, depending on the depth of the peel. And then basically that day they come in, we cleanse you. We prep the skin with an alcohol or acetone-based solution just to degrease. And that helps for better penetration as well. Then the solution is applied. They're usually here about 30 minutes. It doesn't take long. And then we put some sunscreen on them and send them on their way. Super easy.
So they can go back to work?
They can. They can. Usually we ask not to apply makeup that day, but it's fine to just carry on with your daily routine.
I guess it depends on what type of work you do as well. I get
True,
that.
true.
So is a chemical peel painful? I get a lot of gasping when I tell people that they should consider a chemical peel, and they're like, oh. So let's see if we can tackle that question.
Well, I think the word chemical scares people, but basically you might feel some tingling or some burning while it's being applied, and we have a little handheld fan that helps with that. But after that, there's really no pain at all. Your skin will get tight and then just slough off. That's basically it, and then you're left with new skin. So.
Well, obviously it can't hurt that bad because people are coming back. I mean, that is our #1 service here, our chemical peels. So obviously it's not that traumatic. So
exactly.
Just encourage you to come in and talk to one of our ladies to see what is appropriate for you. And then lastly, during the summer, sometimes people feel like, or spring and summer, people feel like they can't go back outside or go out into the sun. How do they need to protect themselves after a chemical peel?
Yes, that's very important. We usually ask not to get into the sun for 5 to 10 days, which really means direct sun. I mean, you can wear sunscreen and wear a hat if you're going to be outside just walking your dog or something, but you definitely don't want to have direct sun on that fresh new skin. It opens yourself up to hyperpigmentation and lots of other issues. So definitely want to wear a good SPF, at least SPF 30 or above. So,
well, once again, our ladies can help you with sunscreen. Always.
Absolutely.
Once again, we have tons of options for sunscreen. So I hope you have learned a little bit today, and hope we've eased the concern about chemical peels here at GoCo Center for Aesthetics. Thank you for being here, Tricia.
You're welcome.
And thank you for listening, and we hope to hear from you soon.
Bye.